Hey guys, the topic we are going to look today is problems on simple interest. I already given some basics regarding the topic simple interest. If you want to see that basics, I'll put a link in the description. You just go through that. Now let us proceed to the topic. So first question, rupees 7,000 is borrowed at 3.5% rate of interest per annum. Borrowed for 2 years. So 7,000 is borrowed. 7,000 borrowed means which is the principal at 3.5% rate, which is the rate of interest, and borrowed for 2 years. This is the time period. Now find the amount to be paid at the end of the second year. So second year ending, how much amount they have to pay. This is not the simple interest. Now we are going to calculate the amount. That means I already given the formula for amount. So A is equals to P into 1 plus TR by 100. Now P means 7,000 into 1 plus T. What is T here? Time period. That means 2 years into rate of interest. So rate of interest is 3.5%. So which I am going to write like a fraction 7 by 2. So 3.5 I am changing like 7 by 2. Because for cancellation purpose we change it like that. By 100. Now 2 gets cancelled. You got 7,000 into 1 plus 7 by 100. Right? Now, we'll see 7,000 into 100 plus 7, 107 by 100. Now, these two zeros cancel. Finally, 70 into 107. So, write here 0 and 7 7 ja 49 and 7 1 ja 7. So, 7,490, which is the amount at the end of 2 years. Now, next question. Now, second question. If Manohar pays an interest of 750 for 2 years. Manohar pays an interest of 750 for 2 years. 750 is the interest and time period is 2 years on a sum of 4,500. That means sum means principal is given. Find the rate of interest. So what we have to find out here, rate of interest. So see the given first of all. Manohar pays interest of 750. That means I is equals to rupees 750 and time period is 2 years. Always time should be mentioned in years. If the time is in months, we have to change into years. So this is the time. And what's the principal here? Rupees 4,500. Sum or principal both are same. And we have to calculate the rate of interest. Right? So we have to find this rate of interest. So here we have to calculate the rate of interest. R is equals to I into 100 by P into T. So I, interest is 750. We already written the given, no? 750 into 100 by P into T. What is P here? 4,500 principal into time period is 2 years. So 2 zeros cancel. Now 15 table, 75 inside 5 table, 5 times cancel. So 50 jar and 15 here cancels 3 times. So what we got here? 50 by 6. If you do cancellation here, you will get mixed fraction like 8 1 by 3%. 6 8 are 48. So you'll get 2 by 6, which is nothing but 1 by 3. So 8 1 by 3. In the same way, next question, on a certain sum, the interest paid after 3 years is 450. Certain sum, that means we don't know the sum or principal. Interest paid after 3 years, that means which is the time period. Interest paid is 450. So interest is given at 5% rate of interest. Find the sum. So find the sum, which is nothing but we have to calculate the principal. So what is given here? T is equals to 3 years and interest is 450 and rate is 5%. And what's the principal? That we have to calculate here. So principal we are going to find out. So P is equals to I into 100 by TR, which is the formula. So I, so this is the transformation of the formula. I is equal to PTR by 100. Now I, which is the interest 450 into 100 by T is 3 years and R is 5. Now 5 table 590 jar and 3 table 330 jar. So 30 into 100, which is 3,000 rupees is the principal. So in this way, we can calculate the sum or amount, whatever it may be, basing on the given. So if you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Srinivas Ramanujan channel. Thank you.